Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Rodriguez, and today we're looking at one of our most unique and useful products in our lineup, the Leatherman Raptor. It comes in two different models, the Rescue and the Response. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. Released in 2013, the Raptor was originally designed to equip military medics, EMTs, emergency, and other medical professionals who do life-saving work. Since its release, however, people have found that a compact, robust pair of shears can be really handy in everyday situations too. From far away, the Rescue and the Response are pretty similar, but when you see some of the nuances, it should help you decide which one is best for you. Let's start with some specs. The Raptor Rescue has 6 tools, weighs in at 5.8 ounces, has a length of 8 inches when unfolded, 5 inches when closed, and is a little over a ½ inch thick. The Raptor Response has 4 tools, weighs in at 5.5 ounces, and a length of 7¼ inches when unfolded, and 4.3 inches when closed, and is a little over 3/4 of an inch thick. There are a few similarities between the two models. Each model can be folded up for carrying, then unfolded when ready to use them. The shears are constructed of the same durable steel, and the cutting blades are the same length, with a blunt tip to ensure safe and quick cutting. Each shear is made up of a sharp blade for precision cutting, while the lower blade has micro serrations to help keep the material from slipping out while cutting. At the base of the shear is an innovative ring cutter, a favorite feature for those who carry this for emergency situations. They both have ruler markings, an oxygen wrench, and a pocket clip. So what makes them different? First, the handle size. The Rescue has a larger handle for heavy leather gloves, while the Response is good for smaller hands with nitrile gloves. The Raptor Rescue comes with a polymer holster. The holster has some cool features to allow you to carry the Raptor in an open or closed position, and depending on your work, you can even carry it in different orientations by adjusting the holster clip. The holster also comes in a MOLLE-compatible clip that works with nylon webbing, or utility clip that works great for a standard uniform belt. If you need more extraction tools, like a carbide glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter, the Rescue is the one for you. The Rescue features a textured nylon grip, while the Response is made from aluminum with a Cerakote finish. So which Raptor would you carry? Tell us in the comments below, and if you want more information about the Raptor line of products, check us out at Leatherman.com.